Okay. I take Bowser and I take Mario. Well, let's pick a stadium. Welcome at the Nintendo Sports Dome. Bowser consumers are two legends of virtual football gaming. You will remember last year's match. Philip Lahm really bashed him. And now it's revenge. But Patrick is a dyed-in-the-wool gamer, and he will really do his best today. Both know the new console, and they've selected their players, and let's look at what the game has for us. In Mario Strike, it's not just a score of gold. So you start with a super shot, and now he goes further to the front, a good offensive. And now you should have to shoot. No, but now Mario, that is the opportunity. David handled that the problem, and we had this last year already. Mario Striker Super Show. Is he going to hit the ball, and will the competitor be able to defend himself against one of the 5 balls? Well, he held 2. Okay, great.